Wish? Did somebody say wish?
Today's my Friendiversary with Jim from Jim's Kitchen. He's supposed to make one of my dishes, and I'm supposed to make one of his. But I don't know what to make.
To get the answer you seek, repeat after me. Kitschy, kitschy, coo, kitschy, kitschy, key.
Kitschy, kitschy, coo, kitschy, kitschy, key.
Kitschy, kitschy, coo, kitschy, coochie, key.
Kitschy, kitschy, coo, kitschy, coochie, key.
Kitschy, 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 kitsch.
Kitschy, 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 kitsch.
You should make Fig Newton bread pudding.
Thanks, Jimby. What a great idea. As you already know, today is Jim from Jim's Kitchen and my Friendiversary. And he's making one of my recipes, I'm making one of his. And as Jimby told you, I'll be making Fig Newton bread pudding. What all goes into the Fig Newton bread pudding? 2 sleeves of Fig Newtons. And just like Jim, I'm using the generic. 2 eggs, 1 egg yolk, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 2 cups half and half, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon ginger, 1/2 teaspoon allspice, and 1 tablespoon cinnamon sugar. So let's begin. Take a big bowl, put in your eggs. Now this recipe Jim made up himself, and it looks really, really good. Jim is quite the character. I just love him. He has so many unusual dishes, and he makes cooking fun. And all of his concoctions that he makes, most of them are good. Add your 1 egg yolk. Add the 1/2 cup of sugar. I will leave Jim's link down in the description box below, so you can go check him out too. He is worth going and checking out. The 2 cups of half and half, the 1 teaspoon of vanilla, the 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, and the 1/2 teaspoon of allspice. Then whisk that together really well. Then break up the Fig Newtons, which I already have, and then put them in the bowl. Now I don't know whether I was supposed to or not, but I let them sit out to get a little bit drier for about 2 hours. I know that's what you do with bread, so I just thought I'd do that a little bit with this too. And mix that up and let it sit for 15 minutes. So take a 13 by 9 glass pan and spray it with non-stick cooking spray. Preheat your oven to 325. Alright, so it's been 15 minutes, and then I'll pour it in the pan. And kind of spread the fig parts out. So stick your Fig Newton bread pudding in a preheated 325-degree oven and let it cook for 40 to 60 minutes, depending on your oven, until it is set. Alright, so it's been 40 minutes and it is done, but I forgot to add the cinnamon sugar stuff, so I'm going to, while it's still hot, I'm going to add that on there. Sorry, Jim. This way I make it a little bit my own, right? And again, this is Jim's own recipe. It looks good. After it cools and when Dave comes home, he can do a taste test. So for my Friendiversary with Jim from Jim's Kitchen, I made his recipe Fig Newton bread pudding, and I topped it off with some vanilla ice cream. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Your wish is granted. Long live Jimby.
What is this?
Fig Newton bread pudding.
Oh. It's got a little bit of a cinnamon flavor to it.
That's the cinnamon sugar I put on top
Oh, okay.
after the fact.
It's interesting. It's pretty good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.